got a magnifying glass and a tweezer. We got also a brush and a chisel. And this, look at the rock. I'm going to start mining. There's too much of dust. I think I should wear my glasses. Okay, let me start digging. Wow, I found another one. and done with the Explorer block. Wow friends, it was so much fun mining at home with the Explorer block. I got 10 gems. I just love mining the Explorer block. Bye friends. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.